Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Webull Stock Screener, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install the Webull Stock Screener, begin by ensuring that you have a compatible device. Webull is available as a mobile app and a desktop application. For mobile installation, open your device's App Store. If you are using an iPhone, access the Apple App Store. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Webull. Locate the official Webull app in the search results. Tap on the app to view its details and press the Install button. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically. Once installed, locate the Webull app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to open the app. If you haven't created an account yet, select Sign Up to begin the registration process. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information and set up your account. After setting up your account, log in using your credentials. For desktop installation, open your web browser. Visit the official Webull website by typing www.webull.com in the address bar. Once the website loads, look for the download section, usually found in the main menu. Select the option for the desktop application appropriate for your operating system. Click on the download link to start the downloading process. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to launch the setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, open the Webull application. Log in using your account credentials. You are now ready to access the Stock Screener tool. Navigate to the Screener feature, usually found in the main dashboard. Explore the various screening options to customize your stock search. Utilize the tools provided to filter stocks based on your investment criteria. You can save your custom screens for future use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.